Prost, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of beer and its fascinating history. Today, we're journeying to Germany, not for the beer itself, but for the vessel that holds it, the iconic German beer stein. German beer steins are more than just beer mugs. They're works of art, historical artifacts, and a testament to German craftsmanship. But beware, not all steins are created equal. Some are mass-produced fakes, while others are valuable antiques. So how do you tell the difference? Let's find out. The term stein comes from the German word Steinkrug, meaning stone mug, or Steingut, which means stone goods. But don't let the name fool you. These steins can be made of ceramic, porcelain, glass, wood, and even have pewter lids. They range in size from a tiny 1 ounce to a whopping 8.4 gallons, with the most common size being a pint, or 16.9 ounces. The variety in materials and sizes is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of German craftsmen, who have been perfecting the art of steinmaking for centuries. German beer steins have a rich history that dates back to the 14th century. They were born out of necessity during the bubonic plague, when laws were passed to prevent the spread of disease. Everyone, rich or poor, had to drink from containers with hinged lids. This was a time of fear and uncertainty, but out of it came an invention that would become a symbol of German culture. But even after the plague, these steins continued to gain popularity, becoming a major European product in the 19th century. They were not just practical, but also a status symbol, a piece of art, and a conversation starter. German beer steins come in all shapes and sizes, each with a unique story to tell. There are ivory steins, carved steins, Metlock steins, regimental steins, glass-blown steins, and character steins. Each type has its own unique features and history, making them a fascinating collector's item. Ivory steins, for example, evoke the classic Greek and Roman sculptures and murals, giving you highly detailed sculpts of great heroes and animals in pure ivory white. Carved steins, on the other hand, are often made of wood, evoking the old Germanic tribes and having intricate patterns, folk tales, and battle scenes painstakingly carved in. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: how to tell a real German beer stein from a fake. There are several things to look for, including the country of origin, maker's markings, condition of the lid, original decorations, and even the bumps on the beer stein handles. The country of origin, for instance, can tell you a lot about the stein's authenticity. A true German beer stein will have "Made in Germany" or "Gemacht hergestellt in Deutschland" marked on it. If it says "Made in West Germany," it dates the product to the Cold War. Not seeing a manufacturing country at all may even tell you that it's from before the late 1800s. The maker's markings are another important clue. The Merchandise Marks Act, enacted in 1887, ensured that all export stein makers marked each mug's country of origin and maker. Most steins sold locally, however, didn't need marks. You will see everything you need to know about a manufacturer and even the period by looking at the marks under the stein. The condition of the lid can also help you determine the stein's age, price, and quality. Original metal lids are cast as a single piece instead of fusing on replicas. They are often lighter and heavier on the outside, made from silvery metals. A stein lid will also darken over time with exposure to the air. The darker it is, the older it is. Unfortunately, counterfeiters often apply a darkening agent to artificially age it. Let's also delve into the world of decorations on the steins. The decorations on a beer stein are a window into the past, telling stories of old legends, historical events, and traditional German life. From the simple floral motifs to the intricate hunting scenes, each decoration is a work of art. Some steins even have hidden images at the bottom, only visible when you finish your drink. German beer steins are more than just vessels for drinking beer. They're a piece of history, a work of art, and a collector's item. So, the next time you raise a stein, remember, you're not just drinking beer, you're partaking in a centuries-old tradition. Prost! That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beer-related history and fun. Until next time, keep exploring and keep enjoying your brews. Prost!